Hello friends, today we are going to share an important topic of challenges in gem businesses. So generally customers come up with unique demands. For example, they need a Colombian emerald about 25 carats with vivid green color, non-resin, non-oil and also a specific shape like a princess cut. So it's always a challenge to meet this demand. Then we rely on brokers. Now, often these brokers are not that well educated. They are focusing on sales, nor are there any standardized methods or protocols in gem buying, nor there are any labs which will help you to give you 100% assurity of the gems you are buying. Hence, you need a right mentor who has right blend of technical skills and market experience and who can guide you with an impactful procurement challenge. Thank you for watching us.